Okay, time to show you a nuclear equation. We're going to show you alpha decay, so that means it's going to involve an alpha particle. Okay, so an alpha particle, what is that? Well, an alpha particle is a helium nucleus, so you symbolize that in the following manner. 4/2 and then He. So if the problem gives you an element like this, like here the problem says plutonium-240 undergoes alpha decay. Write a nuclear equation and identify the new element formed after its transmutation. Okay, literally transmutation means we're taking one substance, one element, and we're turning it into a different element. So in order to get started with this problem, it's very handy to have a periodic table, because I don't know if you have all of the numbers memorized. I certainly don't, and I'm a chemistry teacher, for crying out loud. All right, well, we're dealing with plutonium-240. So in the periodic table, all the fun radioactive stuff is generally here down at the bottom. You can see that plutonium has atomic number 94, and it's symbolized Pu. All right, sorry, plutonium. All right, anyway, that's just a little joke. So let's write plutonium. It's got an atomic number of 94, as we said. All right, so that's plutonium. Now it's going to undergo an alpha decay, which means that this is going to break apart and it's going to produce an alpha particle. But it's also going to produce something else, okay? Because conservation of matter says that, you cannot create or destroy matter. So all you have to do to make this equation balance and demonstrate this conservation of matter, or conservation of mass, is you have to say to yourself, okay, well, 240 is equal to 4 plus something. Now, what would that something be? How about 236? Does 236 plus 4 equal 240? I think so. All right? You do the same thing with the bottom number. You say to yourself, what number plus 2 is equal to 94? How about 92? Does 92 plus 2 equal 94? I think so. Now, this is only one part of the problem. You got the numbers, so that's great. But now, what is the actual element? So the number down here, which is the atomic number, is the number that actually identifies the element. So you have to look through the 90s and find element number 92. And that, in this case, is uranium. So here's uranium. We're going to put the symbol U to describe uranium. Okay? It's kind of redundant, but it's always important to write the symbol. The atomic number, which is 92 in this case, identifies this mystery element as uranium. So if you really want to, you can rewrite this super neat. And there you have it. And then, of course, we have our 236, 92, U. And that, my friends, is how you write a alpha decay nuclear equation.